How to export Mint data to Excel? First of all, open your browser and go to the Mint website. Then, log into your account using your email and password. Once you are logged in, look for the Transactions tab on the left side menu and click on it. This is where all your financial transactions are listed. Next, scroll down to find the Export button, usually located at the bottom of the transactions list. Click on the Export button and you will see options to download your data. Then, it will be downloaded in the CSV format for exporting, which is compatible with Excel. Now, open Microsoft Excel. Once Excel is open, click on File and then Open. Navigate to the folder where your downloaded CSV file is saved. Select it and open the file. Excel will display your Mint data in a spreadsheet format. From here, you can sort, filter, or analyze your transactions as needed. If you want, you can also save the file as an Excel workbook by clicking File, then Save As, and choosing the Excel format. And that's it. Now you know how to Excel Mint data to Excel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.